How to change flag in Snake Rivals. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, we can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So basically, we're in this profile settings. Here, you'll be able to find different options and can even edit your profile. Here on the right hand side, there's a section of choose a flag. Simply tap on this edit button. Here you'll be able to find different flags and you can represent your country too. So select the one that you want to change or switch into. So here I'm tapping on one. At last tap on yes and you're all set to go. So the flag has been changed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.